Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to quickly look at a new functionality that PowerApps released, and this enables you to quickly and very easily ask the user for a confirmation prompt before he or she exits the app. And so you can find it under the property or the app property. You'll see there's now a new property called confirm exit, and you can turn that on by setting that to true. And you can also specify a message to ask the user. So we can say, are you sure you want to exit this awesome Power App? You'll see on the right hand side you can also access this through the panel over here, which is quite cool. And to demonstrate how that works, we're just going to add an icon to the screen with an exit function. So let's put it in the corner and go and say exit the app when the user clicks on this. So let's save this and see what it looks like in runtime. And here's the app. Really nothing exciting happening on here except when we go and click on exit, and here's the prompt: are you sure you want to exit this awesome Power App? And then the user can cancel out of it or then click on OK to close the app. So previously we had to jump through a few hoops to get similar functionality, so thank you very much PowerApps. This is great stuff. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and hope to see you next time. Cheers, bye bye.